Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How are you doing? Everybody's back from holidays. Just setting up myself. I see IMMX is moving, so let me adjust my monitor, set up the station, and just get ready. All right. So what's moving except IMMX? What's up, Sambai? You back from your vacation? So IMMX is on my watch list. Nothing is moving that much. IMMX is probably pulling back to VWAP, maybe bouncing off of EMA. Right on, man. Welcome back. Let's make some money. Probably going to be a little distracted today with other stuff going on. First week, first Monday of the year, and blah blah blah. You know. AUVI is popping, but very low. Well, okay. What do we have? We have CELZ, we have AFAI, BLCT, GNPX, and PTE. Not a lot. CELZ. What is CELZ? Oh man, this is an ugly stock. I do not like CELZ. Looks like algo trading it. IMMX is probably my best bet right now. Look at that micro pullback, break of 66, 67. 1 minute is taking profit at 67. Watch the pullback and then break of 67. That's your best bet right now. Just watch the pullback. I would wait for that 1 minute at least, because we have a double top at 67, and we might break through 70. Okay, watch here. I'm not trading it. There it goes. Just watch for the quick flush. Alright, no flush. Okay, cool. I mean, that would have been okay trade, right? 10 cents, maybe 9. It was slippage plus what is the spread? Spread is 2 cents. Okay, not bad. Let me it's definitely trading. It's definitely, I see volume. Volume is crazy. 26.9. Okay, 26. Alright, I see buyers coming in. Alright. AUVI. Sunbuy, how's my sound? Is it alright? AUVI. What's AFI? Holy guacamole. That's It's a sell off. BLCT. I'm almost tempted to put. Can you hear me okay? How's my sound today? I know Ski was kind of mentioning something that I'm too staticky or too noisy. Looks like a high pitched whine noise coming out. How am I sounded today? BLCT. GNPX. All right, thank you, man. You know, I feel like this, what, 4 days for me? 4 day break. GNPX pop. 4 days break. I even forgot my password. Had to log in to some of the trade stations. That kind of tells you, like, if you completely disconnect yourself and you're focused on something else, you definitely get rusty. So I wonder if that will affect trading. It might, but we'll just gotta take a note of it, right? Yeah, it was funny. I mean, I remembered it eventually, but it's not like I had to try, but like, I had to stop and think, what's my password kind of scenario, like, because if it would have been Monday last week, I would be like just not even thinking that I'm punching in the password. Not today. I had like, huh, had to like take a pause. I like the volume on IMMX. I like the spread. I like the price. I mean, it's a good stock. I see volume was coming in around 8:30 when it's held a BWAP after that. That would have been an okay to trade. I know Alex probably traded. He likes this kind of stuff, the pullbacks. A lot of people traded it above the VWAP. And whoever got the pop from 630 to 670, this right here, probably made some good chunk of change. Look at that pop. It's getting strong, right? Banman's pushing it too. So I need to start getting comfortable trading pre-market. It's just the trading style that I'm using, or yeah, my trading style is not, it's not in the platform, right? So when I had DAS, I used to set the thresholds on the orders, on the limit orders, and I basically was treating pre-market was just like a market order. I would set my upper boundaries like 12 cents, 10 cents above or below the price, depending if I'm getting in, getting out. So it's like almost a guarantee that you're going to get out at whatever price they're going to fill you, just like a market order. But unfortunately, I can't do that with TOS, just direct TOS platform. I can use that, the active trader tree, but it's not a really good practice, because you tend to. So I got burned in pre-market once, a good amount. It was a not a pre-market. It was post-market. The stock was actually moving up, and then I saw that burst of red volume coming in, and I sold it. But because my buffers were so low, it actually set the limit order so low, and it filled at that limit order right below. Like it traded it for a split second at that price, and I got filled. So it's like it's annoying, right? It's almost like you caught that micro pullback or dip flush right at the perfect time because you had the limit order. So that's why and another reason is because of the less liquidity, right? That the post-market, pre-market, the liquidity is definitely not there. So you're used to trading that during the day, and you're like, okay, I get fills all the time, and then with my teeny peeny 100 shares, I get filled all the time, easily, right? Nobody cares. But like after hours, like if you trade 500 shares, 1,000 shares, sometimes stock just dies down so much that they fill you whatever. And plus, there's no regulations, right? Aftermarket, they can do whatever they want. All right, we have 2 minutes. So, what are the levels on IMMX? There's a definite supporting trend line here, right? We don't really have, what is this right now, 680. Yeah, we don't. It's not really a blue swell. It could be a blue sky, but it's not really, because previous high was at 630. So we broke that, so we're hovering. We got to hold that. And look what happened last time, right? It spiked to 630 and then went down to 4. So I'm not saying it's going to happen this time, but just keep in mind the highest volume was at 905 on the 5 minute. So we're tapering down in pre-market. Now, obviously, pre-market is not symbolic of what's going to go during the market. Just volume is going to increase exponentially, and just keep an eye though. Those levels, I feel like they still hold, even though a lot of people say they don't. But I still, it needs to see. The best trade would have been if it opened up, like for example, right here. If it was sitting right here at this level, a minute before open or 30 seconds before open, I would have taken it. But I'm taking. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not taking it. I'm watching it. I'm definitely watching it. And all right, we have 18 seconds. I'm gonna do 125 shares for now. Okay, we have market open. 30. Yep, there's halt. AFI, AUVI, AUVI. I don't know what AUVI is doing. Watch AUVI over, okay, for a micro pullback here. 250 shares, nothing crazy. High is 318. There it goes, 320. Okay. I want to see a micro pullback. 3 cents though. 3 cents spread on a $3 stock. And it moves only 2 cents. So I don't know. No. GNPX very cheap. JWEL. My trade ideas is freaking laggy. Not trade ideas, trading view. So laggy. Alright, AUVI, did see like hovering around that 2 cents? That's a spread right there. APLT. There's nothing else. APLT all over the place. I mean, what else? CELZ. I'm gonna add CLZ to my watch list just in case. No. Pair. Pair's moving. JWEL. Dwell. JWell. It's kind of pricey. Yeah, it's $1 a share swings. I don't know. I don't know. Pair is moving. It's not, well, the volume's low. Sungbai, what are you trading? Are you trading IMMX? NES. Oh wow. NTRB. NTRB. NTRB is below VWAP. It's definitely curling, so I don't know. I gotta watch that. Just so what is the spreads on TRB? 7 cents spread. So IMMX, obviously everybody's watching it. 125 shares IMMX, nothing crazy. 35, 24, 10 seconds. So watch this. $770's halt. So let's see if it resumes higher. And how much higher? CLZ is moving. Yeah, I added CLZ to my watch CLZ 43. There's volume popping. I like that. CLZ 43. I like this volume coming in. Red, holding. I'm in. I'm in at 38. I'm out. I don't even hear my entries. Watch CLZ again over 42 into the 50. So 30 seconds. I'm just waiting for it. I want to make sure it's not going to be a... There it goes. That's good. Entry at 38 would have been really nice. It's kind of jumpy. It literally hit like NES. It's moving nice. So look at NES for pullback. That's setting up maybe a 1 minute pullback. There you go, CLZ. I want to see that volume just coming in CLZ and hit into the 50s. So watch CLZ at 45. I'm still kind of leery to get in because it's below VWAP and it's been kind of downtrending. See, pair, nice clean 1 minute candles. NES. CLZ, that's really good. So whoever was in at 38, that's nice. Let's watch NES as well. NES sold off. CLZ 55, it's holding that 56. It's okay, 50s. Maybe false rejection of a VWAP. That's another trade over 50. That would be, or 51. Let's watch IMMX. It could be that everybody's just focusing on IMMX. You got in at 21. That's an awesome trade, man. You got in at 21, out 30, 10 cents. Nice. You took that break of 1 minute into that break of high 31. I see what you did. And you took profit instead of waiting for that break. Good. Because they had a high chance of selling off at 30. But strong stock. Look how it's bouncing back. So 52. If it's a false breakout of a VWAP, then that's good. False support of a VWAP from the back. 52 CLZ. 30 seconds. Look, IMMX. I'm in. No, I'm not in. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Yeah, it took 2 seconds to see my order on Thinkorswim. That's not good. I'm trading CLZ. I don't like how TOS just messes with me. Watch CLZ over 52. 54, I missed the CLZ trade. Micro pullback on CLZ. 14 seconds. I'm in. 53. Nope, I'm out. Okay. Watching. 30 seconds. Okay, that's the okay. 4. I'm in. I'm out. So I'm out. That's actually That was a messed up fill at 60. I saw 65, 69 when I entered. Okay, watch for this 66. Watch 66. It's a little laggy in terms of trade entry and trade sell off. Watch 68. Watch bounce of a VWAP at 50. Let's look at high 50s. There you go, 58, 57. That would have been probably my entry at 57, 58, and out at like 62, 63. But the fills are definitely crappy. I'm in at 58. I want to see that bounce into the 62 again. Nope. Too much red. Too much red. I was hoping for that next 1 minute to go above 61. IMMX curling up over 21. It's actually looking good, finding support at 87, 80s. Look at CLZ bounce. That's exactly what I was waiting. $67, $68, $69, $70. Micro pullback. I'm in at 64. I want to see, no. I was hoping it's going to be a continuation of that move. 70, 73. It's halted down IMMX. Ooh. CLZ, I mean, I wanted to exit at 69 right here, and it's like I'm always behind. I'm definitely not on top of my game, and I feel like my level 2 is lagging. And my entries are kind of, everything is just very, and I know I'm a little rusty too. Good job, Songbai. CLZ, oh, look at NES. NES, wasn't it a little spready? 3 cents on the NES, yeah. But if it's continue moving like this, why not? Watch 366, 367, NES, 10 seconds. Are we gonna see volume? I want to see buyers. It's definitely a low volume stock. I'm in. Break of. There you go. But the exit was at 73 when I saw 77. Okay, that's so CLZ. I missed the trade. Hopefully, somebody you got the CLZ trade. That was a micro pullback right there off of 77. You could have got in at 73 and got out at like 85, 83. So 10 cents here. NES continue moving, which is strong, which is really nice. It's halted at 382. So I definitely got out pretty quick on it. Still watching CLZ. It's a strong stock, guys. Everything else is halted, so CLZ, a lot of people's going to be punching it. Just keep an eye on it. The halt level is at 442, so 50 cents, a little over 50 cents. 388. Okay, probably a good idea to wait for a pullback, but there's not really a good area for a pullback. Maybe around 70s area. So okay, that's pulling back too much, but we'll see. It's still in play. It's a strong stock. Guys, hit a like button. I'm not trading anything right now. I'm just watching, but it doesn't cost you anything. It helps me a lot. AFI under VWAP. IMMX selling off. Weak. Huh. Okay. My AUVI doesn't show VWAP or EMAs. This chart is ridiculous. Okay, whatever. Here it's showing, on my other side it's not working. Pair is moving, guys. Pair. Pair halted at 920. Lots of halts, but nothing. It's kind of like, yeah, it's halting, it's hot market, but it's hard to catch. So unless maybe you're an algo catches that. CLZ, watch that 68. Why not? Watch that 68. There he goes, 69. I'm in at 66. Nope, out. That's okay. Still watching. It was a good setup, right? Just didn't work out. I'm still watching. 68, 69. That curl into the 77s. Why not? Why not to try that? So bounce of a VWAP. A lot of people will be buying the pullbacks here because of the support of the VWAP. So it's a low risk trade because you're gonna get out around under the 350. So you're in right now at 357, 58. It's a good chance that it will bounce on that VWAP, and then your stop would be at 53. There you go. So you're 4 cents up. But again, it's hard to take profit because if it gets to 65, do you take profit or do you wait until a break of 70? Because if you wait, there's a chance it might drop to your stop at 53. Okay, 53. There you go. That's a stop. That's a stop below 53 right now. If I see volume selling volume coming in, yep, stop right here. Definitely gave back a little on that CLZ. IMMX, you know, it reminds me of ISIC, so why not? Like this 5 minute setup at 750, why not? Let's try IMMX with 125 shares over 750. ABCD setup, but 40, 42, 50 area, why not? But I want to test the fills on it because TOS was kind of like, yeah, I'm gonna take 4 seconds to fill you. Okay, micro pullback. I'm in at 34. Nope. Micro pullback. The fills are okay. Micro pullback right here. I'm in at 33. Waiting for that 40 break. 40. I'm in at 33, 36, 37. I don't want it to go below 35. There goes volume. There goes volume. Are you going to break 40 or no? There it goes. I'm out. So that's actually not a bad stock to read, but gotta watch for that flush. So 60 is high, right? So 60 to 57. 38. I'm in. I'm in at 39, and I'm out at 40, right? 41. Yeah. It's not that great of a trade. 45 50 exit. I'm watching. Watch. Watch. I'm in. I'm in at 42. No, I don't like it. Still watching. The fills are okay. Still watching. 32, 28. That support right here is coming at 7. ABCD on IMMX. Just watch. Still above VWAP. I don't know. It's not bad. Just gotta be really careful over 40. So we have 57, 42. Might be a little high on the share size. Not feeling comfortable. It's probably not a good sign when you don't feel comfortable when you trade with the share size. Because it's a whippy stock. We have 15, 20 cents on the whips, so that's $50. That's pretty much all my gains for today. If you misread, you know. And the thing is, since I'm fishing, every time you swing a fishing rod, right, it's not necessarily guaranteed you're gonna catch a fish. But if each swing costed me $50, how many swings am I gonna make? Triton, I missed you completely, man. Apologize. 57. Okay, why not watch? Okay, pull back. I'm in. Out. Nope. Watch. It's definitely a lot of selling pressure. NTRB is below VWAP, but it has a good flat top setup, so NTRB probably smaller share size. NTRB. NTRB. I don't know. NTRB is just under VWAP and blah blah blah. But it could go. AFI is the same. AFI is actually a better setup. See it? Oh, there you go. NTRB 44. Yay. That would have been a nice break. NTRB. AFI is holding that 59.60. Yep. NES. NES is nice too. I see it, $3. Wasn't NES a little spready? It's like it was $3 or some, yeah, $3 earlier, and then the spread was freaking 3 cents, 4 cents. Something's up with my trading view. It's like it's not loading my 5-minute chart. It's not loading some of the VWAP. Like, why would you pay for a premium service on TradingView and you get this junk? NES, yeah, junk. IMMX, that's what I wanted. Actually, I'm missing it. So let's see, 49.50. I'm in at 38. Break of that 50. Watch. Ugh. Not a pretty. I'm in at 37. 37. I'm out. Ah, jeez, what a bad fill. It's a 43. Why would you give me a 43 fill? It's a junk. I'm in at 40. Are we gonna see 50? I want to see 50 break. There it goes. I'm okay to see a pullback, but I got out at 47. The fills are horrible on it. The fills are really bad. I'm literally losing 3 to 4 cents with each order. Back to 20. CCL. $21, $22 stock. IMMX 757. It's holding that. There's a flat top on the 5-minute. New 5-minute candle. Are we gonna pop? 9. So we got new candle coming in. Just watch for that micro pullback. It's not giving us micro pullback. I'm in. There it goes. Flat trade. 45, 46. Look at this. Flat trade and back to 64 and then back to 47. This thing is all over the place. All over the place. It's hard to catch it with a slow level 2. And not only that, the reflexes. I'm just not. I mean, that's a practice type of trading. Look, it's doing 50. Buyers at 48. There it goes. 67. 67. There it goes. 68. 64. I'm in at 66. Out. It's not bad. 75 exit, but it's still not there. It's still going. Look at this. 80. Yep. It's a strong stock. $98 is the next. So where would you get in? I wouldn't get in at break of 8. If I do, it would be really quick. But considering how the stock moves, I wouldn't trade a break. Let's see, 70, 98. It's holding. There's buyers. Okay, there's the fight going on. Okay. There you go. There you go. 97 or 95 and then back to 80. It's like over 8. Would you get in over 8? $95, $98. It's holding 80. There it goes. 94, 86. Sellers. Look at this. 7.99, 8, and then boom, down 20 cents. Yeah. Micro pullbacks would be nice here. Like I would. There it goes. There it goes. There's a 20,000 share seller at 8. Yeah, it's one of those you'll get in at 7.99, 8.02, 8.03, and then you'll be down at 7.86. So probably like 15, 18 cents. You'll be down. That's why I'm not touching it at 8. I'm not touching it at 8. I mean the high. What was the high? 868 was the high. So what optimally what I'm looking for is break of 8, go into like 820, 840, pull back to 815, 817, 810, and then shoot over the 860, 870 area, and then take profit into that break of high. That's optimally. And that all that's happening was a lot of micro trades, right? It's not just I just want a micro trade or whatever the mini trades, however you want to call it, just through that break of high. So, but it's got to show some decision, like a decisive direction, right? There's a good volume, but there's no direction. So, meaning there's as much sellers as there are buyers right now. Guys, if you're watching, hit a like button. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps me a lot. Okay, GNPX is moving, but it's $1.70 stock. I see IMMX is curling a little. Just kind of watching this area. It might be a better trade than trade that pullback here from 85 into the 90s. That would be a better trade than trading a break of 8, in my opinion. Okay, That's where I should have fished for it. I saw it coming. Look for a false break. Yep. I saw that 820. I saw 820, but I didn't see the bids on 820. So I saw the entry at 797. I think that was if okay, so yeah, if TOS would have been nice to me, maybe I would have gotten maybe 8 cents, 9 cents. What's the deal with GNPX? GNPX 80s. I mean, it's a small moving stock, so I don't know. It's better have 1 cent spread. I mean, IMMX, that's expected, right? That's expected. That break of 8. That's why you don't take that. GNPX. GNPX. You know, I like that trading halts up back in the day. I feel like with DAS I was catching him better. So GNPX 1 cent spread. I don't know. GNPX. Let's see. GNPX. I'm in. Nope. Red. There's a lot of green going in, but it's not moving. There it goes. Now it's moving. Literally flat trade. Pullback. 81. 80. 79. I don't know. Is it worth for 2 cents? Attempt. What is the APLT? APLT, a little volume coming in. Flat top at 670. What is that? APLT. APLT. Let's see. APLT. What are we doing here? 6, 7, 2 cents. Yeah, my trading view laggy. A little low volume on APLT, but that flat top, maybe a break real quick. 71. 71. But I don't know. I don't know. Are we at 85 on GNPX? Beautiful, beautiful. GNPX. Hopefully, guys, you took that GNPX. It's moving slow, but watch 71 on APLT. 9. Oh, never mind. Ignore that. And tell me why. I don't know if you guys saw that on APLT. So what are we, 90? GNPX at 90. There it goes. I see green. I see green, but nothing happened. Okay, that's a good thing to see in terms of not missing that. All right. GNPX 1 minute pullback. I'm in at 87. I want to see green. I see green, but it's not moving. Okay. Still watching 89. 20 seconds. Pulling back too much right now. I need to add music. I'm gonna work today on adding some just lo-fi beats to the background. Just something, nothing crazy, nothing awesome, but just something. $83. Nothing's happening. Curl maybe on GNPX, but nothing's happening. Oh, you're seeing two. Oh, thanks for catching that. There you go. That should do it. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, because I'm sharing a window by name, and when I log in, the both windows are the same name, and OBS just captures, I guess, same name window. GNPX over 90. Watch, the 5 minute is 89, so watch 89.90. 89.90. 15 seconds into the 1 minute, so we still have 40 seconds. So it's gonna be premature break right now at 91, so I'm expecting a pullback, and maybe that's a pullback right there. That was 89. 92. Yeah, it's just I didn't feel comfortable getting in right now on the break. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? JWEL. That's a good. That's a good push. GNPX. GNPX. AUVI. Flat topping here. CLZ is weak. I am, Jeff. But I don't recommend you doing it. But I feel like the pro the well the the chances of you getting filled with market orders, well, they're 100%, right? They're market order. Well, not, I mean, they're 99.9% market order, whatever. The price might not be good, but I mean, it's a whole separate discussion, right? I mean, you probably understand how market and limit orders work. But it's been working out for me in the market order, specifically for this broker. So GNPX testing again that area in 90s might be something. Just keep an eye on it. Watch the 91, how it's going. There it goes. 91, 92. Nice. 93. No. Yep. There you go. So it's not a huge move, but it did. It's like it's a definitely didn't pull back to 89 back, so it's good. So it's holding 90. I see volume. There's a 36,000 share buyer that's being sold into, so it's going to drop. There's a 16,000 share buyer. Yep. So people selling into those buyers. Okay, 93, 94. There you go. That's a push. Oh, NTRB is deciding to puncture that VWAP. Why not? Let's watch NTRB, because if it's so 76, GNPX is, I don't know, that 2 maybe? I don't know. 2 is kind of a long way for that stock. But NTRB, if it's strong, NTRB, if it's strong, but it's a NTRB is so spready. I don't like it. It's very spready. Like I don't know what to use, which share size to use. You know, but GNPX I'm okay using 1 cent, right? Okay, we have 48 seconds until the next 1 minute. It's gonna go before the minute ends. It looks like. The break of 2 and flush. Oh, look at the IMMX. Are we gonna get a quick IMMX move? Just watch IMMX. IMMX high 93. There it goes. Micro pullback. Pulling back, pulling back. I'm in at 93. I want to see 8. I want to see 8. Nope. Watch. Pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 93 again. I want to see 8. 820. Out. See, I'm like spinning my wheels. Same. That's what I wanted to see. I'm in. I'm in at 92. Out. Watch. Dip. Wow. Okay, and TRB is at 10. And GNPX is at 2. Okay, we see some movement. Huh. NTRB. So 5 minutes setup is at 8:07. NTRB. It might break that 96. Nice. 1 cent spread, 4 cent spread. Watch IMMX. 92. Watch IMMX. Watch 92. Okay. Red. Okay. I'm in. I'm gonna try 85, 89. There it goes. 56. I'm in. I'm in at 86. I want to break. I want to see 90. I want to see 90. 90. Out. Wow, those fills are horrible. I saw 93 and I'm out at 87. All right, 94. Pullback. I'm in. 85, 86, 89. I'm in at 90. Out. Watch. There it goes. I'm in. I'm in at 88. I'm out. I wanted to catch that micro pullback. Watch. 87. I want to see that break of 8. I'm fishing. There it goes. 90. Nope, pulling back. Gotta watch out for those. Gotta watch out for those. Everything is pulling back. Was that you saw that initial burst of volume for the last 10 minutes, and then now it's kind of like settled down time, I guess. So I'm just gonna sit back and just watch, because that IMMX trade, it should have went. It should have went to 820, 830 again. So it's time to like sit back and just watch if anything else is popping or whatnot. Sungbai, you're just one and done type of trader, or are you still scalping? I know you had that 10 cent or 11 cent move on 1,000 shares, so you're like what, $110? Did you trade anything else? CELZ is curling up. I don't know if it's worth looking into it, but this 5 minute flat top at 47.50s area, CLZ 50 is not looking bad, actually. Let's look at that 50 area. So 47, 48, 50. Are we gonna wait for that 1 minute? Nope, we're not. You still trading? Yeah. I'm looking at that 48, 49 into that false test of VWAP. I'm gonna sell into the 52. Sell into the 52. 5 seconds. I'm in. Waiting. Nope. Waiting. Waiting. There's selling pressure. Okay. Are we gonna go 46 back? Back up? Yep. 44. 47. So it's hovering around that area. So 47 is still in the books. Maybe not. What about GNPX? GNPX over 201. Look at IMMX. I just want to say a bad word about IMMX. Which I don't want to say on YouTube. Not yet, at least. I can say it on Twitch. I need to make like a mute button for YouTube and a separate for Twitch. IMMX is freaking monster. 1 minute set up at 97. Did it go to 90? Yeah, 94, 97. So watch 97. Watch 94, 97 on IMMX. Are we going to test 8 again? Are we going to get that 30-cent move? There it goes. Pull back. I'm in. Out. I don't know. Pull back. I'm in. Nope. I'm out. I saw that I got in too fast. I mean too late. It's holding 8. So I'm in. I want to see no. I want to see 20. There you go. See that's if you hold, this is what you're going to get. 50-cent move, because I was in at 808 and we saw at 750. So, and of course I missed GNPX. Thank you IMMX for letting me miss GNPX. GNPX 210. I was looking at 201, right? Yeah, GNPX is it is a nightmare. So I missed the trade on GNPX. Maybe 215 1 minute. If it's a strong stock, my scalp for 2 cents. GNPX, I don't see buyers on it. What's the high? 212, 214. $7.12. Huh. One minute pullback. I think it's a delayed trading on GNPX. 212. Okay. Is 207 the low? Excuse me. So still watching 212. I want to see a pullback, micro pullback. There it goes. I'm in. Okay. There it goes. I got out too early. I see volume. I still see volume. Dang. Pull back to 12 or 14. Nope. No pullback. It's just going to 18. Anything else moving? Yep, nothing else is moving. I mean, GNPX, we could be on the pullback. Did you look at the 5 minutes, right? Look at this 1 minute bull flag. I mean, 5 minute bull flags. So are we coming up for another one? I don't know. So 207 to 12, 6 cents. GNPX. So GNPX. Watch 16. Watch 16. Micro pullback. 10. Okay. Maybe too much. Maybe too much of a pullback. 40 seconds until 1 minute. I am a max. Might still pop. So GNPX. It's gotta support that 10. GNPX. Let's watch 12-14 area. 15 seconds. GNPX has got to hold this. Got to hold this. Man. All right, 12, 13. $12, 10, 11. Wow, the stock is not moving at all. IMMX probably has a better chance of scalping that flat top. 85, 82. IMMX coming up 78, 79. I would be in right now. And 80 still holding. There you go, 85. Okay, anyway, back to GNPX 13. Watch 13 on GNPX. It's holding that area, so it's got to hold that 10 and 9. It's got to hold it. Nope. Broke down. See, the buyers came in, supported it, so maybe we'll get some more support. Over 13, over 14. Got 15 seconds. I'm in. I see volume. I see green. I'm in at 11.6. Will we see 15? No. We won't. I'm in. I want to see 16, 15 again. 18. I'm in at 12.8. I want to see 14, 15. Nope. Just a painful stock. What is CLZ doing? CLZ at 50 to 54. Watch if CLZ is gonna hold. Yeah, I don't. GNPX was that was a false breakout of 1 minute, obviously, right? So, and I fished for it twice and I lost. 3 cents last time and 1 cent. Yeah, 3 cents last time. So 2 trades, lost 4 cents. IMMX is just a BS stock right now. It's like popping and dropping. Let's watch CLZ. It looks interesting. Let's watch CLZ. That 46 into the 50. CLZ 44, 44, 43, 43, 42. It's not holding, right? It's got to hold at 40. Come on, CLZ. You can do it. Hold at 40. Hold at 40. Look at IMMX. GNPX has a little curl, but it's weak. It held 40 on CLZ. So what is this? 45? Yeah. So watch 45 into the 50. $7.91 on IMMX. IMMX 91. Watching 45 on CLZ. Volume is tapering down. We need to see this big green volume. $0.02 spread. I like it. I'm gonna get in. I'm in at 43.8. Are we gonna hold 44? I saw 47 for a split second. No. I saw that burst of volume and then jumped to 47. I was hoping it's gonna go higher, but then there were no more buyers coming in. NES not looking bad, by the way. No, NES. Alright, NES. No, NES. Alright, NES. 370. I don't know. NES. So CLZ still for me. CLZ 47. $47, $44. IMMX flat top at 90. IMMX. IMMX 91. Are we going to see? I see a little action here on level 2 on times and sales. Time and sales, yeah. All right, let's watch. It's red. Okay, 76, 70. All right. We're gonna pull back some more. I don't know, IMMX. You see this diagonal line here? Like this. So maybe over 83 on IMMX. Okay, watching 76. Selling off. GNPX 213. GNPX pullback. It's holding 13, 12. I'm in at 10. Out. Okay, I should have been out later. Okay, pull back. So 15 is the high here. IMMX is selling off. Let's see if all right, so the high is 18, so we have a potential 3 cents gain here on GNPX. Nothing crazy. The loss is definitely 13, probably would be. So 5 cents loss to a 3 cents gain. Not a good ratio, right? But the probability, you have to also consider probability of that. So I guess that's where the style. There's a IMMX is holding that 760. IMMX 780 maybe in 10 seconds. Let's see if we have the volume push. My camera is blocking the top monitor volume for IMMX. There's a curl in GNPX, so just watch that. Watch 210 to 11. 210 to 11. I see volume, I see green. It's holding, but it's not moving it anywhere. And that 5 minute, alright, 211. Okay, 11. We got 15 seconds. I'm gonna see green volume over 11. Look at IMMX. Okay. Okay. I want to see more volume on GNPX. GNPX. Alright, I'm in. The 1 minute setup potentially 16. That's not bad. So I got out at 14. I should have waited again. 17. There's a pullback. There's a pullback. Let's see if, okay, are we breaking? Yeah, we are breaking. Pullback again, waiting for a pull. Nope. It's not gonna give me a pullback. So waiting for a pullback. I'm in. No. Let's see. 21. So 10 seconds. I'm in. Are we gonna see? Nope. That's exactly. You getting in on non-micro pullbacks is just AUVI volume out of nowhere. So if you guys traded, that's nice. So 23. I'm in. That's not good. See, like I chased it. I chased it at 26. I got in at 26, out at 25.5. Half a cent loss. Could have been worse. But it also tells you that the stock is strong if TOS is feeling me that good on a false on a chased entry. Hope you guys capitalizing on this move on GNPX, guys. Standby. I hope you capitalizing on this. Looks like your type of setups here. So 29, 28. Okay, we have 20. Okay, so IMMX, AUVI, oof, AUVI, that was nasty. So 780 on IMMX. Maybe 5 minutes setup and 2 minutes at 780. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of false breakouts. Gotta tell you that. NES is setting up ABCD. All right, we have a minute and 20 seconds for the next 5 minutes setup. How's GNPX on 5 minute? Yeah, not good. So IMMX maybe is the one for 5 minutes setup. If it so look for 70 entry somewhere. 69.70 and the push into the 80. I'm in at 60. I'm hoping I see volume and not a flush. Okay, that's okay. I'm still hoping for. I'm in. I saw a little sliver of green here. I'm in at 56.6. Any red, I'm out. I'm fishing for that 5 minute setup. I'm in at 63. I want to see 70. Okay. Watch. That's good. Micro pullback. Nope, it's not gonna give me a micro pullback. Out. You gotta make sure you get out at those breaks because there's a chance for flush, as you saw. So 73. We're in the pullback. I'm in at 66. Watch for red. Nope. I'm out. So watch for that 73.69 again, and then I'm gonna wait for it to break and then micro pullback. So watch this. There's a little volume. It's got to hold here. It's got to hold the low 60. It's got to hold 60. Okay, because there's a chance of false breakout. See the 5 minutes setting up. 5 minutes setting up at 73.80. $73.80, 5 minutes setup. Watch. 34. So we have 20 seconds until 1 minute. I'm in. I see a little green coming in. People are jumping in ahead of that 1 minute candle. Any red and I'm out. Okay, watch this. Out. And I'm surprised I'm not getting filled at the tops here, but I'm gonna take a chance here at 68. No, I'm out. There's a chance it's gonna flush. Are we supporting? There might be support here at 62. Okay, 60. You know, you're fishing for this, and it's just sometimes it's frustrating because literally that 5 minute setup is strong. It's like, why? I mean, I know it's a later in the day plus all other signs, but we need to break out of this 8 range, break 810 and just go above to 850. $70. There's a flat top on GNPX at 20. So 220 GNPX. Watch. GNPX. I'm in. Red? No, no. Come on. Come on. No. Waiting 20 seconds. Look at IMMX. As soon as I turn my head away from IMMX, it's going. How are you supposed to trade this? So 78, I'm in. Break of 80 again. Yes. Out. I'm in. Let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. Out. It's junk. Look at this. It's junk. I'm in. I want to see 80. I want to see that 80. Okay, I saw 81. Did I get in at 81? I got out. Yeah, I got out at 81. That's, I mean, it seems like, this is the area of, so that was the 5-minute setup at 780. That was weak, very weak. And then GNPX flat top at 220 didn't work. Any other day, that flat top at 220 would have gone to 225, 230. That 5-minute setup on IMMX, break of 780. That's also any day would have went. So I guess it's just gotta watch for that type of moves, right? IMMX is a micro pullback, 1-minute pullback right here, 75. Watch 75, 78. That would have been a decent trade. I'm in. Are we going to test 80? No, we're not testing 80. What? Why? Watch red. I see a little green now. Now would be a good pullback. Watch for red. Out. I see red. So when you see that micro pullback, right, it kind of flattens out, and then you either see the green coming in or red. So 79 still on watch. I'm watching 79. I'm in at 76. All right. It's indecision. 79, 80, 77. Did I get a 78? Yeah. 81. Watch for that 81, 80 break. 30 seconds. There goes 82. 78. Is it a false breakout? It's holding. 15 seconds. 70. 74, 72. There's volume here. There might be a little support here at 71. What is the high? Is 82. High is 82. Watch 78, 82. The volume is disgusting right now on IMMX. It's not conclusive at all. So let's watch that 77.80, but be really careful. That thing can flush. Alright, I'm in. 76, no, I'm out. Watch. 70 support. 68, that's the flush, that's the micro flush. So what is NES doing anything? NES is on the BWAP. Look at IMMX. It's like, it's silly. It's so silly. I need a micro pullback. There's no micro pullback. It's going to 90. Watch. Pull back again. 81. I'm in at 81. I'm watching. There's still green. I see green. 86 out. 96. I'm in. Break of 8. Break of, nope, I'm out. It took me about a second to get out. Kind of watch for that flush, but it's holding 84. So 84 would have been a good entry to get in. And now at 92. So 96, that 8 is brutal in this stock. Pull back. I'm in at 92. Nope. Watch. 90. I'm in at 88. I'm in at 88. I don't want to see any more red. I'm in at 88 and I don't want to see any red, and I'm seeing red, so I got out. GNPX 221. So IMMX, it's still 93. IMMX, I'm liking IMMX. And GNPX just broke 220. GNPX 225. I'm in. I'm hoping it's going to push. Watch IMMX at 93. Anything else is moving? AFI. IMMX. I'm not seeing following through. AFI. I don't know. Maybe it's setting up for something for the break of VWAP. So AFI. What's the volume? 270,000. Okay, 250. 250. AFI 250. 1 cent stock. There's no volume on AFI, but watch 250 on it. In 20 seconds, maybe 250. If we see volume coming in. That was a weak break. 49 to 50. I was hoping 52, 53. So AFI saw that burst of volume. I agree, Jeff. Pre-market was good. IMMX pre-market, right? That's what you're talking about. Was NTRB at the open? No, NTRB actually kind of sucked. But if you look at GNPX, right? If you were just chilling today and taking your time as those trades, maybe GNPX would have worked out for you. But IMMX definitely pre-market. If that's what you were talking about, Jeff. IMMX moves were interesting, and overall, I'm noticing the moves on the high volume stocks like this, like iSig and IMMX. I didn't trade in TRB last week before New Year's. I was off for 2 days, 30th and 31st. It's a big holiday for us, so I'm not. You don't want to trade when you're drunk. you know, I mean, TOS. Everybody's bashing TOS, but I think overall it depends what's your trade style. I mean, if you're serious, if you want to bring bread to the table with trading, maybe you need to switch. But like, if you're just practicing and just trying to work out your your system, kinks and stuff, you might want to you want to make sure you don't pay a lot. Because I was trading Lightspeed for a while, and at some point I keep logging in throughout my trading day and seeing, because they had that summary right page of fees, because for some reason they weren't doing like calculation inside the platform. They were doing for some, but they were like, you know how when you can do a rebate, you can get a rebate if you're actually creating liquidity rather than taking away from liquidity. So it was kind of like I had to log into my account on the web to see what the actual fees were, because sometimes I was creating liquidity and it was good. It was like you almost flat on the per share commission, but then per trade I was paying 250, so it's $5 for me per trade. So because you buy and then you sell, and the good thing, because it's a partial, sometimes there are partial fills, but when you send in an order, they count it as one order, which is good. Because sometimes the 1,000 share would take like 7 orders to fill. You changed to TOS from Lightspeed? Yeah. I I did the same thing, Jeff. I was actually in the same boat for level 2. So what I did, Jeff, at first, I don't know if you want to try that, but I I I did a trade station. Trade station level 2 is actually pretty good. It's it's almost as good as Lightspeed and DAS. There is a lag at the market open for about 15 seconds. It still moves. It doesn't like stop. It just moves. But it if you look at the time and sales and price, it just lags by about 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds. So keep that in mind. Don't trade that. Um, but the rest of the day, like it's pretty good. I like it. I actually traded it for a while. I was Thinkorswim execution and trade station for level 2. I was paying. I think I'm still paying like $16 or $11 for a trade station level 2. I like it. It's the flexibility is there, almost as good as DAS in terms of coloring the groups, the fonts, the and plus you can get like a depth a lot more. So the only negative thing for me with trade station, it does not show halt levels for Nasdaq stocks. I think NYSE stocks is showing, but or is it vice versa? I can't remember. But so one of them, it doesn't show your halt levels. So that was kind of a deal breaker for me. GNPX, look at that flat top at 23.22. AUVI, I don't know. I don't trust AUVI, and I don't trust IMMX either. So GNPX. And you know, with thinkorswim, they have an API, so like those limit orders with brackets, you can have that with thinkorswim. They allow that because limit order with brackets, it's not a broker thing. It's your software mostly, because their basic concept of orders. That's it. There's a limit order. GNPX broke that 23. I'm back. Sorry about that. I see GNPX is maybe doing something. AUVI, I don't know. AUVI, I don't know. GNPX, I see there's a lot of sellers. I also see sellers on GNPX. We have a 28 high. Now we're at 26. Might be too late for the 2-cent scalp of a break because I don't want to hold in the 28. I just want to get out the 28. What are we at? 26, 25. 26, 25. Okay. $30 seconds maybe. 20 seconds. All right, I'm in. I see a mix of green and mix of red. Okay, I'm waiting for that 25. Still green. I like that green. That wasn't a bad green. Okay. So I was in at 23, out at 27. And now we're just sitting at 27. There's a break. There's a break. That's nice. I wasn't expecting this to break to 32. I was actually thinking it was do 29 and then flush back. But GNPX, well, it has been flushing that 1 minute, the false breakout at 11:24, kind of flushed. So see the wicks on the 5 minute, the triple top pretty much. Yeah, that's why I was really concerned. And I'm sure I wasn't the only one, but it proves you wrong, right? Right now it's 38 right there. 40. There's a seller, 35,000 share seller. Buyers popping up here and there. It's not bad at 40 right now, 41. It's a quick. I noticed that you can't really get in on that spike volume. 275 is the halt. So a 50 is the next resistance area for me. So around that 50 area, that's where I'm kind of expecting it to pull back. But we're at 41, there's a 47. It's not bad. 47. We saw a large volume for 5 minutes straight. We're gonna break 50. 15 seconds. For the break of 50, 10 seconds. It's very, I don't know, it's kind of like very indecision like here. I'm in. I want to see. Nope. I'm in. 44. No, I'm out. 45, 44. I'm in. Nope. I'm out. I'm in. I want to see that 50. No, I'm out. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that 50 break. See how it's like it's bumpy. I'm in at 46. I'm out at 46. It's like it's 44, 44, and then it's 49. It's like you don't get a chance to I'm in at 43. Let's see if it's gonna hold 43. No, it's not holding 43. I'm in at 42. Out at 45. Still watching 47. I'm in. Break of 47. Break of 47. Too long. It's taking too long. 23,000 share seller. Are we going to see break of 50? No, there's too much red coming in. Watching 49, 50. 20 seconds. Watch 49, 60. It's holding 46, 47, which is good. We might pop over 50 to 53 if we hold here. It's holding 44, 45. It's got to hold it here. Watch it hold. It's sitting on that 44. There it goes, 45. There's definitely support. 22, 4 minutes. Okay, so we have a 5 minute setup. We don't really. I mean, break of 5 minutes is 49, but optimally I would want to see the 5 minute setup, which is in 5 minutes. But if the stock is strong, we will go. We will definitely go 49, 45, around that area. It's got to hold. We got to see some volume coming in. I'm in at 43. I'm out at 47 probably. Yeah, 47. So watch for that volume coming in. There's green. Doesn't. Okay, I'm in. I want to see that 49.50. Okay. Did I get out at 50? Yeah, I got out at 50. So watch that 50 break. If it's gonna hold, it's holding 47. I'm in at 47. It's not breaking. There's red. I'm out. Alright, still watching. Watch that 50. There's a support at 45. There's buyers at 45. Okay, and we're going to flush down and break that that channel of 40 to 50, that 10-cent channel. Which way we're going to break it? That's what we got to fish for. And how much is the fishing going to cost us? All right, 47, 49, 10 seconds into the 1 minute. Okay, it's getting choppy. Watch for that 48 into the 49. It's got to hold 44. It's not holding 44. Some people would get in here at break of 44 to 43 was a sign of buying. It's a low risk entry, right? Because your stop would be like at 43 cents for potential gain of a break of 50 over 10 cent. So 48, I'm still watching. I'm in to test 48. I'm in at 45.5. Any signs of red, I'm selling. It doesn't look like you want to break over 46. So I got out. So 46, still hoping it's going to hold 46, 48. It's holding that 45. I'm waiting for the break of 5, but the 5 minute is not looking good. There's volume that's actually got bought. Okay, 47. I'm in. I see green coming in, but there's a lot of sellers coming in. So watch for any signs of red to get out. Okay, well, it's definitely up and down, up and down. That break of 50 is not working. So let's watch again. It looks like it's testing that 49 again. 14 seconds. 44 seconds. The 5 minutes not looking good, but screw the technical setup because that could just go above that 50. There it goes. 48, 46 micro pullback. Are we strong or are we gonna go lower? I'm in at 46, 45.5. I want to see that break of 50. Sell into the 58. No, there's red. Still looking again, looking to fish. Break of that 47 was volume into the 50. Nope, there's volume right here. Okay, watch for this new candle. I'm in just to anticipate that break. It's gotta test something because I'm not expecting it to break, but I'm expecting it to test the 50 again. There it goes. There it goes. 47. Watching bids. 48. I'm out. 48, and then I saw the bids. So watch that 50 now. It's gonna play with that 50. Was the volume? I'm in. Watching bids at 47. Red. I'm selling. Okay, so watch again that 49. 49.50. There's definitely green coming in. I'm seeing green. I'm seeing buyers, but with any signs of red, I'm out. Might lose 2 cents. Okay, watching bids. Bids at 48. Bids at 48. That's good. Very indecisive area for sure, but that could actually break. Just keep watching. 46. There's a micro pullback. Held 48. Held 48. That's a good sign. So watch for that buyers. I'm in. I see buyers coming in. Watch for that 50 break. There you go. And I'm out. I'm out at 54, 53. So I wasn't expecting the 50 to hold, but watch. See what, like my mistake is I'm turning away, and I'm seeing that the stock is strong. So watch for this. It's holding 50. Yeah, that would have been an entry at 53 to get out at 55, 56. So watch that. $57 is good. Strong stock. So it keep proving me wrong. That 30 break, it held it, and now 50 break, it held it. So let's watch the bounce of a 50. We might see something. Let's jump in. I'm gonna jump in at 51, 52 on a high red volume. Nope, it didn't give me that choice. I wanted to get in like at 53, 52 and get out at 60. That's essentially what I was after. At 66, looking good. This is strong stock. The volume is all over the place. Look at DAS times in sale and level 2. It's going nuts compared to everything else. So people are watching it, people are trading it, right? 75, 76 million shares of volume. What is the float on this stock? It's 45 million float. 69, 65 area. It's a 1 minute pullback, usually being bought out. Watching 65, 65, 69. Is it strong? The low is 58. So I have 20 seconds until 1 minute. Gotta hold at 58. Watch it hold 58 and then try to get in at around 63, 64 to break off 65 into that 67. Okay. Still watching. It's on the weaker side right now. Okay. Showing some strength. 63. Okay. I'm in at 63. I want to see that volume coming in. There goes some volume. 12,000 share seller. Okay. Well, it's a break-even trade. It only filled me at 63, 64, and I'm out at 64. So watching that volume coming in at 65, 15 seconds. Micro pullback maybe. There's a micro pullback. I'm in. Nope. That got me. It definitely got me. Okay, still watching 63. Watch 62, 63, 61. I'm in late. I'm definitely in late, but I'm hoping it's gonna break that 65. It's holding 60, which is good. I'm in a little high. I should have been in at 60, 61. It would have been a break-even trade. 30 seconds. Watch for that. I'm fishing for that spike again over 70. And I'm anticipating where it's gonna happen. It's holding 60. I like this. It's holding 60. I'm in. Is it gonna hold 61? Watch. 2 seconds. If it's gonna be red, there it goes. I want to see 64, 60. Okay. Let's watch 65. 12,000 shares, 17,000 share sellers. They're being bought out. There's a lot of buyers coming in. Micro pullback. Holding 66. I'm in. I'm watching the 70 now. I'm in at 66. I'm out. I'm out at 65. So still watching 67. There it goes. There it goes. 40 cents. Micro pullback. I'm in. for the break of 70. I'm in at 65, 68.5. No, there's a lot of sellers here at 68, 69. Still watching. I'm in. No. Giving back some decent money here was bad trading. So I'm getting to a point where I'm just scalping it the wrong way because of the no movement. See, like it went to 69. Oh wow, that was good. I'm in. I want to see 80. I'm in at 75. I want to see 80. Will I see 80? No. It was like showing 72 and then it became 78 in a matter of split second. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna show me 80 right now. I'm in at 74. I'm in at 74. I want to see 80. I want to see 80. There it goes, 80. So I get out at 76, but I saw 79. It actually, there it goes, 79. I'm in. Not a good trade. Flat. Watch. It's definitely moving, but it's not moving as fast as I want it to. Guys, if you're watching, please hit a like. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me a lot. It's a new channel, so YouTube's looking at that type of stats. $82. I don't know. It's the volume is there, but are we due for a pullback? It's extended on 5-minute. I was thinking it would pull back to test 250, but if we're gonna get on the backside of this move, then it's gonna go lower. You never know. It could be going up until the end of the day. Who knows? All right, so 283 seems like a resistance. There might be setting up for a 1-minute pullback and AUVI also, but I just don't trust AUVI. 1 minute setup, maybe the break of highs, but I don't like fishing at the highs. Mm. 1 minute setup, maybe on GNPX over 278. A lot of selling. Look at that 5 minute, last 5 minute candle in red was a high topping wick. Maybe a sign of pullback. Still pulling back a little. '75, '77 area. Watch bounce off of those EMAs, but I'm not expecting it to go just highs again, but who knows. The stock's been interesting lately. Guys, if you're watching, please hit the like button. It helps me a lot. The channel is new, doesn't cost you a thing. Let's watch this 30 seconds at the 73.74. Yeah, wasn't what I expected, but still watching. Yeah, it looked like it was gonna go, but there's a hidden seller. Let's watch 73, 71, 72 still. 28 seconds, 25. We might go before this 1 minute ends. Still watching. See, this fishing is actually costing me something, but I'm actually getting to a limit where I need to stop trading because the number of trades I took today is way too much. There goes, there's some volume. Okay, are we gonna break 72? We are. I'm in at 70. I wanna see some more volume coming in. I wanna see 74 again. Are we gonna see 74? Hidden seller. Hidden seller. See, they tested it again. They tested how many shares he's gonna sell, and they probed him, and he looked like he was too much for them. But I had a chance to take it off at like 73, 74. Still watching though. They might be probing him again. Look at that support at 68. So it might be a good buy on the lows here at 69 to test again. 74. I don't know, but we'll still have to see volume. I'm still watching. On the spike to 73, 72. Watch for that micro pullback to 69. But looks like it's selling off. They're buyers at 68, but I don't know. They seem to be getting weaker. See 67. Yeah. They're definitely weaker. AUVI is curling. I don't know if it's going to touch the VWAP, but it might not. So look at that double top, flat top at the, not double top, flat top at 44. So maybe 44 into the 50s area. But AUVI, I think there was a reason why I didn't trade it, because it's just annoying. Alright, AUVI, I have it up. Okay, it's a 3. AUVI is pulling back, so it is gonna try to do a VWAP tap. We might be able to, since it's been a while for the VWAP tap, we might be able to bounce off a VWAP here at 20. Watch 25, 30 area. It might not go there, but it's a 2-cent stock, 2-cent spread on a $3 stock. Where are the times when there was $11 stock and we saw a 2-3 cent spread? That was good times. OCGN. You guys remember OCGN from back in the days? That was a scalp heaven. The moves were about 20 cents each, and the spread was 2 cents, 1 cent. It was like just 1 minute pullback worked, and micro pullback worked. Everything worked on that stock until it stopped working. So we have GNPX finding a little bit of a bottom here, but I kind of want to see it over 75. And AUVI, I also want to see it over 44. So we'll see. We'll see. So GNPX over 75 still. Inches around 73. 20 seconds, 1 minute until 5 minutes setup. It might be good, might be setting up for something. So watch 72, 73 into the 75. Okay. Seeing red. There's a hidden seller at 70, 69. Still selling into them. That's fine. Once there you go, he took his shares out. Okay, watch. There it goes. He's still selling a lot. He's still selling here. So he moved it up. He removed the 69, he moved it up to 70, 71. Okay, there's the buyers at 69 coming in. I don't see seller anymore. I don't see him anymore. Okay, he's still there. There's a 30,000 share buy. No, 15,000 on NASDAQ. Okay, 69. There it goes. There's some volume. 58. That's a 5-minute setup coming in. I'm in. I want to test that 5-minute setup. I want to see 74. No, I'm not seeing 74. Okay, still watching. I'm in. Any sign of red, I'm out. There's green. And then followed by a huge sliver of red. So watching that 75 break. 73 is holding. Okay, sellers at 70. Lots of sellers. Still watching 73, 75 area. Just watch that. Watch 73, 75 area. 71, it's got to hold 70. I'm going to see some green. Got to see some green here. 16 seconds. Nope, red. Still red. Okay, still watching 72. Why the hell I get trading view next to my stock? Is that a new feature they added? Need to remove that. My eyes go at the high and low, and they used to be in one spot. Now they see how they kind of wrap a line. So my eyes are kind of not used to that. 73, 71. There it goes. 55. Looking for volume. Watching for volume. I'm in. There's volume, but I'm late. So right now I'm out. I'm still watching for that volume jump. I'm in. I want to see that 71, 72 break. There's red. Maybe I was too early. I'm watching. Yeah, there's red. So still watching for that. Yeah, I need to be done. Look at the AFAI. AFI. AFI is not bad. 1 cent spread. AFI. Did it halt? 72? No, it didn't. What is the spread? 71, 2 cents. AFI pulling back. Look for AFI 1 minute setup here. Maybe. What's the high? The high here at 73. So watch 72, 73. GNPX, going back to GNPX, it's proven GNPX here at 73 again. That flat top 73, 72. Watch GNPX. And 5 minutes setup on GNPX. 15 seconds. Watch for volume. Watch for volume setup. I'm in. I see volume coming in, but watch for any red to get out. It's definitely tricky. Cause I'm in. I see volume. So I'm hoping to catch that. I'm fishing for that bounce over 75. And it's not this. You know, that 5 minutes setup. I want to catch it. I want to catch it, but it's not happening. The 5 minute setup, I want to catch that, but it's not happening. I'm in at 72. We got a break here. We gotta see green volume. Gotta see green volume. We're not seeing green volume. Is 1 minute setup an AFI looking good or no? 270. I still like GNPX. GNPX, at least I know this stock, so I'm probably gonna stick with it. I'm in at 70. I want to see 75. I'm not seeing. There's a seller at 72. Back to 70. So let's see, will we break that seller at 72 and pop? $69. The 1 minute setup on AFI. I'm also watching, but I'm not gonna trade it because I'm watching GNPX. 70 on AFI might not look bad. There you go, 73. It was looking, so it was a good trade. Okay, still looking at 72, 270 on GNPX. Oh wow, AFI and GNPX same prices. Alright, keep watching. 22 seconds, 36. Okay, so 35 seconds. It's gotta hold this. Gotta break 72. Break that 72 to 71. Keep watching. 15 seconds. I'm in. I'm anticipating. Gotta see that red. 8 seconds. Will we see red in 8 seconds? Or green? And I see green. Okay, I completely butchered that. I got out before it moved. So keep watching. So 72, still watching 72. Still watching 72, 71. Okay. Maybe a next 1 minute. It might move before that minute ends. Keep looking at it. Pulling back. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I'm in. It moved quick to 72. I want to see that burst again. Will we see that burst? There goes some burst. Seller. Is it gonna break? Yep, it broke. 75. Pullback. I want to see pullback. 74. 75. I'm in. I'm watching. I'm in at 75. Out. Yeah, I'm basically flat on this past 40 trades. So I think I'm gonna be done. Yeah, I want to trade GNPX. It hasn't proven me that it can flush. So, but it's proven me that if I hold it a little longer into those breaks, it give me those moves. Because see, right now we're testing 80, and we broke that seller at 71, 69, 72. So unless that seller moved up somewhere else, we definitely gotta. I'm in at 75. I'm in at 75. I want to test 80. I'm in at 75. Bids. It's getting lower. I'm out. So 78. See, in at 75, break of 80. That's essentially what I was planning to get. Is it? Oh, Jeff, good call, man. It is. It's 266. That's why. Yeah, I need to get a better handle on this of why, and I have it. You see on my daily chart. All right, look at that 79 again. Look at that 79.80. I don't know if it's gonna go. I'm in. I like this green, but there's a seller at 77. Is it gonna break that 77 and test 81 again? Nope. Still watching. Is the 5-minute high at 79? Yeah. 25. So 78, 79. 15 seconds. I'm in. I want to see 81. There it goes. Okay, so I saw 81. Not a lot. I'm out at 80 though. 78 entry and out at 80. What's the high at the 86? This is the territory where the short sellers will come in. So we have a decision to make. So right now I'm way over the trades I should be having, just the sheer count of trades I've done today. So I got to make a decision here. Do I want to play that 86 or not? Because all it is going to be right now up to 86 is shorts trying to get in and overpower the buyers, and they want to see that fail of 86, and most likely will happen. Yeah, that 86 might happen. See how 86 is coming up. Okay, so short seller should be getting in soon. Yeah, but that 200 MA, that was a good call, Jeff. I think I'm gonna end it here. Not gonna sit here and make $10 and lose $10, make $10, lose $10. Um, just what am I? Am I down on any stocks today? No, I'm actually flat on AFI and CELZ. I should have been up way more on that because it was a good strong stock. I know Songbai is up on CLZ. I don't know, Jeff. How are you doing today? You up today? What did you trade? I'm gonna grab a sandwich. I'm gonna be eating, so. So, what do you think so far of TOS? Look, it broke 86 into the 90. So, what shorts coming in right now? Yeah, how are your entries? Are you still playing with entries? What do you think of execution? When I moved from Lightspeed to TOS, I felt like when I clicked the buy button on TOS, it felt like eternity. But then when I looked at the fill, I was like surprised. Like, how is that possible? It was a good fill. So the 86 would have broke. So this stock proved me wrong 3 times already so far today. The break of 30 right here, break of 50, and then break of that 86. It's doing completely opposite of what I'm expecting it to do based on market condition. So I definitely hear you on a relaxed point. Sorry, I'm eating here. I'm hungry. I haven't had anything. Just a coffee. Yeah, so like when with light speed on the back of my mind, I always kind of had that worrisome thought, or maybe just a little back thought, of commissions and just overall the cost of the trade. And like I told you earlier, I keep plugging in into my web platform to see where I'm at for the day, because sometimes I could be up $100 on Lightspeed, and I log in and I'm down after all of the execution fees and commissions, and and sometimes it was kind of like it wasn't. It was like mentally draining, like you're trading, and then you like try to look for different trading style and so on and so forth. But with TOS, so keep in mind with TOS, and that's what happened to me. There's another worrisome aspect to TOS, and that's That's sometimes they don't close your order. So you could be up with 1,000 shares. You get in and you want to scalp that, and you click to get out, and the order just hangs there. And you see stocks dropping, and you see your P&Ls dropping, and just keep in mind, and you can't close it. You can't do anything, and I've seen that happen multiple times on TOS with me. So, and sometimes, man, I don't know. Sometimes it's like, would I rather be paying $100 in commission or losing $1,000 with 1,000 shares just because TOS didn't close my order on time? See, if I was paying attention anymore and I saw that 200 moving average on GNPX and not so tunneling on the breakouts, it could have saved me a little, some of that fishing money. But I'm definitely done for the day. So 244.74. Um, Unexpected gain on GNPX, of course. I'm up $70 on IMMX. So on IMMX should have been way more than that. GNPX is moving again. I'm not gonna trade it. I feel like it's already. I feel like the backside is coming. But I could be wrong. But that's what I feel like the backside is coming. I'm surprised I didn't trade a UVI. GNPX testing 98. All right, Jeff. You take care. Um, stay tuned for the recap today. I might do it later. But if I don't talk to you guys today, I'll definitely talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see a lot more momentum in the market open tomorrow. I looked at the earnings calendar. Looks like the Wednesday and Thursday is busy, so maybe that's where a majority of the volume will come in. I saw no earnings today, and I think there's one company coming with earnings tomorrow. So, but a lot more on Wednesday and Thursday. So hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, maybe a volume. But anyway, guys, take care. Have a good rest of your day.